So basically, we'll continue our lecture with discovering topic about variables. So basically, you know much more about variables before, and we'll go quickly through let, variable, and constant keywords. And what is a variable? So basically, variable is a container, like it's like a box for the value, and which box, box which stores different values like letters, numbers, true or false expressions and stuff. Okay, and yeah, and this is box are associated with the information which lives in the computer memory, and we can store username, account number, decrypted information of your banking accounts and all the stuff. Okay, and if we are ready, we can start the next exercise. So basically here I will quickly introduce with concept how to create a variable. Okay, so there are a lot of changes which is introduced in ES6. So it's basically standard best practice of scripting language like of JavaScript, and there were like biggest changes of two new keywords, let and constant. And why? Because we need to use all the stuff to create a variables. For example, we create a variable, you store it, some value, and you just put a like method which prints you that name, and you don't need to write here like all this down name. You just quickly declare a variable. So basically, we can start with this one variable, like yeah. So basically, there are some rules for that. Like variable is short for variable. My name is like variable name. This is like assignment operator equal, okay, and equivalent basically, which assigned value. And here we have like printing to the console by referencing console.log my name. And there are a few rules for naming variables. They cannot start with numbers. They are case sensitive. So, okay, it will be different variables with my like big letter N, big N name and my name. Okay, so it's a bit bad practice to have the same using different value, and it should not be like the same as keywords. So let's just start with first one. We'll declare some variable called favorite food, okay, and assign it to pizza. So what happened with that? Why it doesn't work? Because we should use what? It was a mistake for that one. Okay. Second one, like variable of slices, which is equal to number 8. Okay, guys. So what happened with that? So basically I had some error here, and yeah, it was very simple. And here you have a console printed pizza and 8. So we declared the variable called favorite food, which is equal to pizza, and number of slices, which is equal to 8. And we just printed the values to our console. What about like next variable called let keyword? Okay, so basically here like we can reset our exercise. Okay, so in whenever we do like let is signals that the variable can be reassigned with a different value. Okay, so basically I will just quickly write like explain all the stuff like let meal is equal to enchiladas. You just print it, and whenever you change, the console log will put a burrito. Okay, so we can start with this one. And whenever we print all the stuff, it becomes burrito. Okay, so it's basically changed. And yeah, we will create a variable let called change me and equal to true value. Okay, and whenever we do this, we'll set it to false, and I will try to basically print it. Check the value, guys. Okay. So basically here it's true the first time, and then it's value. So it was reassigned a different value, guys. Okay. Next one is constant keyword, which is also introduced in year 6, and is short for word constant, just like the var and let. Like basically it's used same as that, but it cannot be reassigned because it's constant. Okay. So let me just quickly show you some exercise. So we'll create some exercise like const, its name, and it's equal to enchiladas. Okay. So we'll check whether it's saved value. Okay. So I will check quickly. I will check right here. Which is equal to tacos. So, okay, so this is like happens type error assignment to a constant variable. Okay, so which is also quick. Okay, next, it's a mathematical operators, guys. So basically, you know all these operators, and we can also like reset all this exercise. And I will just try quickly to help you with. So basically, what we can do with that, guys? Basically, we can calculate the new values and assign all the stuff. And here we have some operators, assignment to increase the value. So basically, we have a level up, which is equal to 5, okay? Our level, we can decrease the value. Also, we can put some multiplication stored in this value. So we just quickly put a multiplication and assignment operator, which is equal to this one. And let's see a quarter me, okay? So it's like simple, guys, okay? So basically these values are added 5. Here we added power. Here it was multiplied by 11, and here it was multiplied by 4, okay? So what we can do with another operator, which is called increment and decrement operator. And here we store different values and we increase the value of variable by 1. And let's just do all the stuff, guys, okay? So be humble and let's continue it. So basically here we have again dollar. And let's increase that value, okay? which is double plus and double minus, okay? And which is called decrement operator and increment operator. Okay, so what happens whenever we click it? So what is printed here, okay? Let's try to see all the stuff. So we added 1 here and we subtracted -1, okay? What happens when we concatenate variables? We assign a string to variables, and let's go over how we can connect or extend strings to variables. So basically this operator plus was used to combine two string values. And here, like, let's quickly check when we declare an animal, which is called, like, let's say Bob or someone. Okay, let's put a Garfield, guys. My favorite animal is Garfield. Okay, so it's like cute cat. Yeah, so, and your favorite animal, you put it with +1, like plus operator, and you just put it in console log, okay? And last project, which is called for your string concatenation, okay? So basically, I will try to put all the stuff, okay? And I will help you how to understand with template literals, okay, guys? Template literals. Yeah, let's do this. And here I should create a variable called my name, okay? I put my name and I will assign my name. And what is my name? Okay, will it be my name, Bruce, okay? And I will try to check whether it's true or not. Okay, so let's do assign another variable called my city. And I actually should call it Nursultan, but I will try to put it Gotham, okay? Yeah, so quick. And right now I will just quickly try to write this one. My name is name, my favorite city is Gotham, okay? So how can I do all this stuff? I just put a $sign and I will add some variable which is called here, okay? And here, guys, it should not be single quotes. It should be something another quotes, okay? Should be here closing brackets. Okay, so right now you see my name is Bruce and my favorite city is Gotham, okay? So last one is type operators. Okay, guys. So what we can do like next, while writing our code, it can be useful to keep track of the data types in your program. If you need to check the data types, you can use type of operators. Okay, so basically this is like exercise for you. You put it here and we'll quickly check what happened here. In first one, we just check a type of new variable, which is string, And here we create a variable which is became 1, and we will check what happened that one. Okay, so it's cool. And yeah, so you should know also type of operator for you, so which will print the data type of variable's value, okay, whether it's string or a number. And this is like quick questions, okay, for you, and we can just work with that. We can create a variables, check what data, like data types, concatenate strings using different data types, interpolate multiple values, and see what happens when we use a console log with different keywords like const, let, var, okay? And also we can play with template literals and check their data type of your values using type of keyword, okay?